Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to configure Inhouz Sign document expiration. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To jump into the Inhouz Sign module, all I need to do is click on Inhouz Sign in my menu. So we're going to use a template to show you how this works. Now, configuring templates and configuring documents are very similar, so what I'm going to show you here applies to documents as well. I'm going to jump into one of my existing documents called Test Proposal. I'm going to jump into the settings, switch to the settings tab, and right here I can see expiration settings. So if I want this document to expire, and the document will expire, if this is turned on, if it has not been signed or completed. So if I wanted this document to expire, all I need to do is toggle this on. So there are two types of expiration or expiration triggers. There's a precise date and there's a projection. So a projection just means that it's a projection of how many days until expiration. In this case, we have a projection of 30. So if this document is not completed within 30 days, it's going to expire. If I wanted to change this to like 5, I can just switch this out to 5. So now this document is going to expire within 5 days. Now, if I wanted to use a precise date, let's say I had a specific date and time in mind, I can say, well, if this document is not completed by August 22nd, 12 a.m. American Chicago time zone, then this document is going to expire. I could switch to time zones. We have all the time zones in the world here as options. So based on your time zone, you get to pick and choose how this is going to work. Here it basically just defaulted to the time zone of my browser. If you're using this on your computer, it's probably gonna pick your time zone. And that's it. Once you create this configuration in your template or your document, whenever these conditions are met, then this document or Inhouz Sign document sent will expire. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.